Hello viewers and a very warm welcome to my channel once again, and I have come with a tempting Italian dish today and everyone's favorite dish, that is white sauce pasta. This white sauce pasta you can make even better than a restaurant at home. So here we go, how to make this tempting and delicious white sauce pasta at home. If you follow these steps, you will just forget the restaurant pasta and start making at home itself. I am making chicken white sauce pasta today, so let's go into the video and have a quick look on the recipe. Let's keep around 1.5 liter of water to boil. Let's add some oil and some salt, around 1 tablespoon. When the water becomes hot, I am adding around 300 grams of penne pasta here. Let's bring the pasta to boil and let's boil it for around 10 to 12 minutes. Now after 12 minutes I am checking whether the pasta is done. It's very well done now. Let's strain it. Let's run some cold water over the pasta so that it should not stick to each other. And the extra starch of the pasta will be removed if we do this. Let's start making the sauce now. Let's add around 3 tablespoons of oil. Let's add 6 to 7 finely chopped garlic cloves. Let's saute it slightly for some time. Now I will add 100 grams of boneless chicken pieces to it. I am making pasta for 4 to 5 members, so 300 grams of pasta and 100 grams of chicken pieces. Let's saute the chicken for around 3 to 4 minutes. Let's add some salt after adding the chicken. Saute it. We have to roast the chicken with garlic in low flame for few minutes. Now I have added one chopped medium sized onion. Now let's saute the chicken along with the onion also. Let's saute it for 3 to 4 more minutes. Now let's add one chopped bell pepper, that is capsicum, and a handful of frozen sweet corn to it. Let's add half spoon of red chili flakes, half a spoon of Italian herbs or oregano, and half a spoon of black pepper powder, and some more salt if required. Salt always we have to add little by little just to prevent our dish to become salty. Let's saute all the ingredients in low flame for few more minutes. We need not overcook these ingredients. Now let's remove it from the oil and keep another vessel. In this vessel we are going to make our white sauce. I have added around 100 grams of butter. When the butter starts melting, let's add 1 teaspoon of maida to it and immediately stir it. After stirring it without any lumps, let's add 1 more spoon of maida and immediately stir it again. And now let's add some more maida, that is 1 more teaspoon of maida. Let's add and stir it back again. So overall I have added 3 tablespoons of maida, but not fully at once. I have added little by little, 1 teaspoon each time. Now I am adding around 2 cups of milk to it. Continuously you have to keep stirring because you should not let our sauce to form the lumps. So immediately we have to break the lumps and the flame is in low. When you feel that the consistency is very thick, you can add little water to make it little slurry type. This is how the perfect consistency we need for our pasta. Now let's add the same ingredients like half a spoon of red chili flakes and half a spoon of Italian herbs or oregano and half a spoon of black pepper powder. Let's mix all together. Now I am adding 1 full chunk of 100 grams of processed cheese. If you have small cheese cubes, then you can add 2 cheese cubes instead of 1 chunk. Let's break the chunk and cook it along with the sauce so that the cheese should be melted and it should mix with the sauce nicely. This is how the perfect consistency we want for our pasta. Now let's add our cooked vegetable to our white sauce. The flame is in low. You should not increase the flame while mixing these ingredients. The flame should be in low only. Now I am adding the boiled pasta to it. After adding the pasta, let's give a good mix to all the ingredients now. And that's all. Our yummy and super tempting and super delicious white sauce Italian pasta is ready to be enjoyed now. If you feel that there is a necessity for some more salt, you can add at this point also. Always serve the pasta when it is hot. No doubt this pasta is going to be everyone's favorite at your home. So make and enjoy this and share your feedback with me in comment box. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon with one more interesting recipe. Thank you so much for watching my channel.